So Riemann sums are really just the sums of area rectangles. And since every one of these terms is being multiplied by a tenth, we know that 1/10 is the uniform width of each rectangle. Now, how many rectangles are there? Well, you can see that we've got 1, 2, 3, we have 10 terms. So we know for a fact that there will be 10 rectangles. Well, we need to know what the function is that defines the heights of our rectangles. What is this red function? Because that will be the integrand expression. Since we've already established that 1/10 is the width, everything that gets multiplied must be the heights, and the heights are being squared. So this is some input, it's being squared, we know what our function is. There it is. So the only thing we're left with now is the limits of integration. To figure that out, look at what our x values are that we're putting into the function y equals x squared to get our heights. 1/10, then 2/10, then 3/10. So we can see that our widths are 1/10. And if we do that 10 times, then from the lower limit of integration to the upper limit of integration, we must have a span of 1, which rules out from 0 to 10. From 0 to 1 could work, from 0 to 1 could work, from 1 to 10 does not work. So, to include the 1/10 or not to? Well, we won't, because we're finding the area of the sum of these rectangles from 0 to 1, as we've already discussed, where each one's width is 1/10, and we know that that is equivalent to the area under the curve from 0 to 1. And that's what's represented by choice A, not choice B.